Hello, it's C++ Coder here, or as the couple of people that are going to be watching this know me, Scar Designs. But this video is only going to be viewed by like 3 people because I'm going to have it on unlisted. I might take off unlisted after the people have watched it, but this is for Sean and Andrew to kind of get a grip on C++ programming. It's a really good language. It's object oriented, meaning that there's going to be like variables and stuff like that involved. But the software's here. I'm gonna close off this quickly, just because we want a project to be started from fresh, and you can get it from this website here, Visual Studio. So www.microsoft.com/Visual Studio/eng/downloads, and it's going to be there. And you're gonna know what download to get, because I'm sure you've downloaded stuff before. If you don't know, then you go here, right click that, bring up the properties of what your computer is compatible with, if it's 62-bit or 32-bit. It's 32-bit because it's a piece of shit. So without further ado, we're gonna open the program that's gonna let you code C++, which is Visual Studio Ultimate 2012. If you download this, you'll need a product key, and I'll include it in the description, so don't worry about that. Okay, so you're gonna get this screen as soon as you load up the Microsoft Visual Studio. I'm gonna keep these videos in segments because I don't want it going over 10 minutes. So yeah, I've got a little bit of time left. Obviously, a lot of time left. Okay, so you go to New, Project. If that loads, yeah, there we go. You're going to choose a Win32 console application. You can get it from Visual C++ here, or down here. It's got the same thing. So for easy, it's easier to do it this way. So Visual C++ console application, and I'm just going to name it Learning Script 1. And I'm just going to OK that. And before you click next, we're going to go to application settings and make it an empty project. And we're just going to finish, and it's going to load up our little dialog box of everything we need to write code. We need to input the script though. So we go over to this bit here, and we go to add new item, C++ file, and we're just going to name it, just leave it like that, learning source. Okay, now check this out again. Okay, right. Basically, C++, like I said before, is an object-oriented programming language. Usually, well, in all the programs that I've used, all the programs I've made, I've always used the main function. It's basically, I'll type it out for you just now. Include IOStream. What you're doing here, or what you've got, in fact I'll write it out and I'll just explain to you what we're going to have. We don't need anything else. We're just going to include the basic sort of layout for the main function. Like so. Done. Okay, this is a main function. What you've got, I think of it as sort of fueling a car. You've got the what you've got here is the motor. Up here, this is the stuff that you need to have in place so the car runs, and this is the fuel in here. That's how I think of it. The code that you type in from this curly brace to this curly brace is the sort of fuel, and that goes there, which sort of fuels it. If you get what I mean. Code in the program always runs from top to bottom, so it's going to go like that. It's going to include all the functions like the input output stream, stuff like that, and then it's gonna read this. It's gonna go using namespace. It's gonna go to the main function, and it's gonna type all your code out in here. So basically, I don't want this video to be too long. I think I'm just gonna make it over 5 minutes. What I want you to do is I want you to just download the program, and I want you to keep on typing this out. Okay, this is going to be part 1. I want you to take a look at the way this is laid out, because you're going to use it for every single one of the programs that we do in the next sort of few videos, 5 or 6 videos. And so yeah, go memorize this piece of code here, and I'll report back to you. You don't need to really understand how you need this right now, but I will show you exactly what it is and how it works later. Just so you know, here is a program that I'm working on right now. I made it. I said input to letter grade. It wasn't that. I kind of got sidetracked and made another program. No, we're not going to save changes to that. But yeah, here's the program that I'm making just now. It's like a sort of menu sort of thing, but you don't have to worry about that. But that's the stage that you're going to get to. I'm not even at a high stage in programming. I'm just sort of scraping the edge of sort of beginner. But I'm going to be teaching you what I've learned. So yeah, guys, without further ado, I guess we should... Wait a minute, I'm going to quickly delete this and just show you up again. Just so you know, we can just Control Z it, I think. Can we? Oh, well, shit. Control Alt Z. Oh well, fuck. I guess I gotta type it out anyway, because I think I've lost my code. Shit. I'll be able to retrieve it. Don't worry. Yeah. So just this sort of code here. Int main. Okay, yeah, there's the main function there. Memorize this, write it out about 10 times without looking at the code. Just try and memorize it and see what you can do. I'll report back to you with another video in about half an hour's time. Hope you enjoy this.